Hey everyone! I wanted to take a minute and share with you today how I'm working to transform my household into a more natural and chemical-free environment. I went through my house and gathered just some of the products that we have on hand, and I was actually really surprised at not only the amount of product that we have, but just the variety of chemicals that we are exposing ourselves to on a daily basis without really even thinking about it. So here you can see the variety of different cleaning products that we have. I gathered these from all over different parts of our house, and honestly, seeing them all together, it kind of shocked me. I didn't really realize how many different products we have, but also just how many different chemicals we have in our house. And these are things that are not only being used on surfaces in our house, but also on our body, like the body wash and hand soap, eye makeup remover. My goal really is to replace all of these with all of these more natural and green solutions. So with these different ingredients, I'm gonna start making things like natural dishwasher detergent, laundry detergent, an all-natural kind of bathtub cleaner and surface cleaner. And really, I just want to start to replace all of those old products with new, more natural ones. I hope you continue to follow along and watch as I transform my house into a more green environment, and I hope that you can find ways that you are interested in making changes to your house as well. So stay tuned for more videos and tips and tricks, and I'll teach you what I'm learning along the way, and I look forward to a healthier and happier home.